All right, I'm out here with Tristan, who's making sure that we're all staying legit. And this is a tank replacement out here on Patricia Road. Columbia Sanitary says this tank needs to be replaced. So first thing we can see is that the tank is quite deep. It's oh, I got a tape measure right here on my belt. Here you go, Tristan, measure that thing. 3 feet deep, 3 feet below grade. You do see a little bit of corrosion of the concrete right inside the riser here, as well as down in the tank. Columbia Sanitary says that the bottom is starting to show signs of failure with rebar poking through, and this tank needs to be replaced. My question is, why are these gases building up inside the tank and causing... So there we have, what was it?
3 feet.
3 feet as well. So this concrete gets degraded and erodes away when the gases of the sewer inside the tank are not allowed to ventilate and escape, and that causes corrosion of the concrete, and then the concrete grows brittle and breaks and fails. So the reason these things are meant to ventilate up through the sewer pipe into the house and out the drain vent that would be on the roof somewhere. There it is. So that's where these sewer gases are supposed to escape. But my question is, where does the wear come in? It's seeping through around the cracks in here, but it's not very much ventilation, so we're having some degradation. Also, we could have a belly in that sewer line, which is full of water and preventing the gases from escaping. So I'd recommend having that sewer line scoped, because, well, it seems that this tank is still holding water, so theoretically it has not yet failed completely, but I'm not qualified to have that opinion. That's Columbia Sanitary. So we can do a new poly tank with squeegee, because this is going to have some rock in it. We want to do squeegee. Poly tank is less susceptible to the gases and the failure based on that. But there's really good access right in front of Tristan's truck right there. Coming in this way, move the hose, move this clothesline, and then we're going to swing the tank as far this way as we can, disconnect the gas. It's only about 25 to 35% full, so we should be able to lift this one side and swing it out of the way of our hole in our dig zone, which is going to be right here. By the time we have all this opened up, I think it would be just as well to inspect, and we could replace the line in the event that there is a belly there. So and then we'll put the tank back, reconnect. The propane line is going to run right across the dig zone as well, so we're going to have to be really careful to not strike the propane line with our digger and break it. So other than that, and then there's a little bit of edging right there, which we'll be careful to minimize damage of that, and put down some straw and seed when we're done, give it a nice rake out, and we're out of here. Should be easy peasy. No dosing siphon. It's going to be the field out there. You could do an upgrade and do pressure dosing in an old 4-inch system like this. We have done it before, and that's a upgrade to the field, but that's something that could or could not be chosen.